So, hello everyone, welcome to DataminX. So, today we are going to see an error and see how we can solve this error. So, I was working on Locus Studio, that is now called as Data Studio. And while working with this, I came across an error. Error is that when I'm editing a dashboard or whenever I'm making a dashboard, and I can be on any browser, but for this video purpose and for this this error, I'm working on Chrome. So what actually happened with me that like this is the error that you will be facing also, and therefore you came to this video. So whenever I'm putting any chart, suppose let's add a chart, and I'm putting a chart, let's say a donut chart. So when I'm putting a donut chart, as you can see, so it's trying to render first, and then after some time, it is showing this error. Okay, uh, some kind of server IP address could not be found. This kind of error is coming. And apart from charts, but the normal cards are working fine. I'll just let me just show you. When I put the card, suppose I put the card here. So cards are working fine. Cards are working fine, but the chart is having some problem. So this issue could be solved by a simple trick that actually came, after so much research and finding out on the internet and other things. That's why I'm making this video for you. So you just have to do one thing. Just have to go to settings, and in setting, go in the privacy and security. After that, you just have to go towards this select DNS provider. So as you're having the issue with IP address kind of thing, so therefore I just stumbled upon this fact that I could actually change my DNS provider. So right now it is OS default, but if you choose this Google public DNS for now, and you just have to do one thing, just have to close everything now. When I open the Chrome again, let's say I'm opening the Chrome again, and I go to Data Studio. So yeah, if I now go to Data Studio and open the same report that I was working on, now you would see that the charts are showing. Okay, it's taking some time. So let's see. Yeah, now you can see the charts are coming up. So previously, what was happening? Some kind of issue was there with the like IP address, and that DNS is actually providing something, I think, from Google's ends, and it's meeting all the endpoints. Therefore, it's working. So yeah, that is the solution for this problem. Thanks for watching.